start yesterday. I was supposed to start the fast and I did not. I ate. But now we're gonna end the year with a 4-day, 248-hour rolling fast. I'm trying to get my dang waist trainer on. And this is my back brace to help with posture. Okay, hold on, put you there. There's so many doggone straps. Okay, let's see. I did just make myself a cup of coffee and I put my creatine in it, but I gotta show y'all my face because my face, oh my gosh, I have bags under my eyes and everything. Don't realize the damage that salt and sugar does to your skin and stuff. But let me make sure I set this up all the way. Okay, it's it. Now this, hold on. Alright, so this is my little waist trainer. And then this is my back brace that helps, not back brace, but it like helps with posture. I don't even know the name of it, but I'll put the link if you want one. So like if you're at your desk a lot, I'll show you. So first you do this, and then this here is gonna pull back my shoulders here. My husband's home, so he is in everybody's face this morning. The kids, mine, he just left out of here. So I'm gonna let me bend you over like they do in the movies. This kind of bend over, not the other kind. My eyes and the black, the darks, I'm like, what is that? See, it's like really bad. I'm like, oh my gosh. Now, I did have a chemical burn here from this stuff. This is the second time I've gotten a chemical burn from this. And I don't even use it that often. But, so like the bags are crazy. So I just bought something, excuse the mess I'm about to clean. The bags are really like wild. And so my skin just looks really horrible right now. But it's all good. I'm about to clean. It's almost 8 o'clock. It's about 7:40 in the evening. I've done really good today. So I got these. They finally came in. I'm going to leave them on for 30 minutes. Prayerfully, they'll help the bags that I had. But today's been pretty easy. Like my husband made a burger and it smelled really good and I wanted it. But I wasn't hungry, so I haven't had to fight hunger pains today. So it's like, praise the Lord. It's been a real chill day. I made a cup of coffee earlier. I didn't even get through half of it, but it did the trick. So today's been a very easy day. I'm about to go to bed. Got church in the morning. All right, I'm at church. I just finished rehearsal, and I made it through yesterday. Praise the Lord. And I was looking forward to a bunch of sweets and stuff today, but now I don't even have a sweet tooth. So that's great. Now, when I woke up that morning, I did not have a sweet tooth. But after church, I definitely had a sweet tooth. And somebody brought delicious cookies to church. So I had like 4 of them in church. After service, I had this sandwich. And then later that night, we went to an appreciation dinner. Headed to the dinner tonight in the car with my family. I just want y'all to check out my turn the light on back there. Check out my baby boy because he is fresh and he needs the world to see how fresh he look at the with the chain.
Go Key.
That's my baby girl. That's my love, but he got a lot of mouth, so his camera time gonna be short.
Whatever.
I have on zero makeup, my eyebrows, nothing. But I wanted to show y'all I am going to be taking my supplements this week, which is collagen, vitamin D, iron, and vitamin C. And I have my magnesium and potassium right here. along with my creatine and my pre-workout. My daughter has to dance, so I'm about to take her to her dance. I believe I've officially gotten through the day. It is about 7:30 p.m., but I'm gonna go to bed soon. Today was a really easy day. Not much hunger at all. I had like thoughts, like I stopped at McDonald's for my daughter and my son. And, you know, like when you see food, smell food, you just kind of naturally be like, dang, I would like to bite that. But I didn't. So
a few moments later.
I mean, if I was going to eat, I was going to make sure I got my protein in. So that's why I have 2 patties, because it was like 100 grams of protein. And I have not been on the scale because I ate so bad. I'm like, I don't even want to see what the number goes up to. I don't even want to see it. I'm here. I was actually a little late today. I'm tired, but gotta do this. As I'm setting up and starting my work day, let's now talk about how we're going to start this new year together. Now, this past week didn't go exactly how I planned, but I stayed consistent. Now, I'm opening up something that I already planned to do myself. I'm opening it up to you, and we're going to call this the New Year Lock-In Challenge. It starts officially Monday, January 5th. So you can have your last meal on January 1st and, get ready. You have 5 days to prep. This challenge is for people that are new to fasting, but it's also for those who are experienced but want more structure and clarity and somebody to do it along with. So when I say lock in, I don't mean perfection. I mean removing the option to quit. Locking in is deciding ahead of time that there's no cheating, no excuses, and no constant negotiating with yourself. We're doing this together, step by step, starting with a 7-day prep week. That way we're not just jumping in unprepared or overwhelmed. Full challenge will run for 3 weeks, a total of 21 days, and the focus is discipline and follow through. So if you want to be a part of it, all of the details will be sent out by email. Just use the link in the description and everything will be sent directly to you. Then if you already signed up through the previous link, you should have already received it. But make sure to check your spam folder just in case. I'm excited to see how far we're going to go in this challenge. Let's lock in.